This video starts with a comparison. Now I owe you the part where vitamin can expand the stereo field of different bands. I think you can do that with blue cuts. So let's concentrate in getting used to harmonic maximizer. For example, the dry knob is input gain. It just controls the amount of input. Now next to it are 6 knobs that are harmonic exciters, and they go from 20 to 200, 400, 500, 2Ks, 4Ks, and 6Ks, or something like that. But you can adjust them with the frequency knob. Now next to the exciter there is a maximizer. This means that the plugin, no matter how much push you add, is going to trim the level, the signal at 0. So let's do another comparison. In this case, let's create a master bus setting in vitamin and try to replicate it with harmonic exciter.